Morning all. Let's have one or two 5-minute games this morning. So it's 8:45 at the moment, approaching 8:45 anyway. Is anyone around? I'm auto parrying. 48 title plans are around. LazyPenguin from Germany. The flags are a new thing in a new version of Blitz in 303. Quite cute, I think. Now, I think some of you guys were mentioning bishop c4, so I'm going to play bishop c4, not bishop d3, because that could be a target to the knight b4s. I think there was this idea that you could play a3 and the standard battery on h7, because the knight has been driven away. Actually, I think John Ems has played this system like this with success on the king side, just getting pressure on h7. Coming to think about it, it might be worth having a look at some of his games in this variation. Okay, so e5. That's quick and liberating. Check all checks principle. D takes, knight takes, knight takes, queen takes. D5 or A4 for bishop A3. That's tricky, really. I'll go with this. What about queen f3 here? Is that any good for pressure? Protects c3. Means also bishop f4. I want f7. Okay, I'm going to do something about h2. So bishop f4 and f7 are a bit vulnerable for black. So bishop f4 here. So I can probably, I'm getting bad position though. Takes. Okay, I can be on G file. Rook e5 here. Trying to get some pressure on the G file. Maybe later king h1. So is bishop e4 a problem for variations here? Could have chosen queen e3 as well. Well, there's fe now. Or rook e5. Maybe fe, undouble the pawns. There's queen b7. Might be handy. Bit of counterplay though for black, I suppose. About queen g2 or queen f3. Or rook g1, there's bishop e4. So about f3. Yeah. f3. Bit passive looking. There's rook d2 though. So I'm going to get rid of the pressure here somehow on my king. h3 and king h2. That would support maybe rook g1 in the future. Rook g1 might actually be a good move, but at the moment it's bishop e4. Getting answered by bishop e4. So I really want to play, I think, h3, king h2. Keep on this diagonal as well. That reinforces against bishop e4 actually. So rook g1 might actually be on the cards now. That was an unexpected good idea. Okay, and there's also now queen g6 to consider. If the bishop moves, then queen g6. If bishop f3, I think I take queen takes, I can take with the king or the bishop. So is this actually quite dangerous for my opponent? Yes, he's got that. I can attack the queen now. Who's winning this tactical slugfest of threats and counter threats? So queen g4 next. So queen g4, anything stronger? Checks, bishop h7, I don't think it does anything. Queen g4 looks good. So I think I'll drop the bishop back. King g2 next. Heard the pawn, rook a4. So the bishop up. Right. Stop g4. Let's go behind this pawn. So check and rook a7, just to go behind the pawn. Or in fact a4 and aim for rook b5. So a4 right here. So that would check and rook b7. So I want to try and play for rook b5. Or maybe even rook b6, just to drive the king back. Okay, he's trying to get the pawns off. That does win the a pawn, unfortunately. Or keep hold of it. Bishop c6, because otherwise rook e4. So I want to play rook b5. Maybe even bishop b5 and rook a7, easiest. Or rook b5 here, yeah. Just trying to win the a pawn next. We can't put more pressure on that at the moment. So bishop c6. Keep bishop on the diagonal. Slowly get this pawn up. So king g2 or king h2. There's king h. Oh, I can take here because there were bishops on over there anyway. Famous last words, I think. a6, there's rook a6, so I've got to be careful. What about rook h5? Getting behind the pawn again, rooks behind pawns. Then I'll be free for a6. Or even f3. f3 and king h2. Well, I'm on h1 with the bishop. Okay, so what happened there? Yeah, it was. I think there's some John M's games which we should have a look at, because I remember those from a tournament first hand where he was playing this line in the C3 Sicilian, I think, with good attacking prospects. He's a grandmaster, a British grandmaster that plays the C3 Sicilian, I think, way before Hal played it. Hal's obviously younger, so that's yeah, it's quite logical. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.